again, welcome to this little add-on video for my Clockless automatic brewer, the smaller version. This is just a little extra circuit that at first I thought there was no way to fit into the system, but then I worked out that it was, so I'm just making this little video to show you how. So the additional circuit that I've made is a circuit that makes the system self-aware so that it'll always brew if this chest isn't full. You can just leave it running and not have to worry about switching it on and off. Technically, this is the case for the system with the on-off switch. If you leave it permanently on, it'll just brew potions and then stop when this fills up. However, to get it started again, you would have to empty this and this before it would start, and so the circuit that I've made means that it'll just need you to remove 3 or however many potions from here, and then it'll start brewing again until this is full. And if you want a larger buffer, you could put a hopper under this into another chest and keep going for as many chests as you want, and it'll always keep all of them full if you want more stored at a time. The circuit you want to build is really straightforward. You just get rid of the on-off circuit that we put in last time if you built that, and then you want to put a comparator there measuring the hopper, a couple of blocks there, redstone along here, and a repeater there. And that will now keep this brewing as long as there's nothing in the hopper. So this is currently running. When that finishes, brewing should stop because that will stay in the hopper. And there you go, and now we take these out and it'll start brewing again. So that's the easiest way to just make sure that you've always got potions when you need them.